The biggest lie young people are told when they are 18, 19, and 20 is to go to university and you're guaranteed to get a high paying job. But guess what? This is not entirely true. This lie is drilled into you through the school system and they reinforce it through your parents that are still stuck in the past. Why this might have been true in the past, it is not the reality anymore. So don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that studying is a waste of time because many degrees are very useful and students experience unforgettable learning during this period. However, relying solely on your degree is a waste of time. That is why it is important for you as a student to start some kind of side hustle that has the ability to turn into something big in the future. So in today's video, I'm going to be diving into 5 side hustles students can start to make significant amount of money with less stress. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chinyere. And on this channel, I share content on how to make money online, remote job, side hustles, and visa sponsorship jobs. This information I share can be applied to anyone, no matter where you are in the world. If you have not joined our community yet, hit on the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, like, comment, and also share this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 side hustles that students can start, how much time it's going to take you to learn them, how best you can learn and earn from each of these side hustles. The side hustle number 1 is short form content. This is more or less creating short form content to reach a large audience. For instance, my Instagram page, Virtual Assist with Chi, is an example of a page that is doing well with short form content. I started this page February 2024, and right now I've gotten to over 94,000 followers. Also, my TikTok handle that I started like about a month ago is currently at 1,000 followers. And each of these channels that I'm telling you today has made me significant amount of sales. Now, keep in mind that during the pandemic, TikTok became so popular and grabbed the attention of the world. And since then, all different social media platforms have been competing for attention. As more and more eyes get on these apps, the more money they can make from advertisers. Stick with me because this is where it starts coming together. The one thing you should do or you should know as a content creator is that this platform need you as a content creator. They need you there to like drop your content there. What distinguishes the best creator from others is their ability to like keep their audience attention. Side hustle number 2, investing. I'm going to be sharing why, how, and when. Investing might not look like the best fit right now because you're thinking, oh, it is you saving, but it's an essential strategy for financial growth. With the right approach, you can transform small, consistent contribution into life-changing wealth. I tell my students this often, you never spend everything that you earn. You spend 80 and you save 20%. Now, every little effort you put into saving will always count. Investing is a powerful principle of being wealthy. So, by leveraging compounded interest, small contribution made consistently over time, you would see that you have a significant amount of money. For example, imagine investing or saving $2,000 or $1,000 or even $50 every month with an average return of 10% annually. This can grow into millions in 40 years, in 30 years. The key is early starting. Time in the market is more crucial than timing in the market. By investing consistently, regardless of the market condition, you reduce your risks and maximize return over time. Do not sleep on this. If you're 30 right now, look at yourself. Imagine if you begin to save at 50. What retirement plan would you have? But take, for instance, you're 18, you're 19, and you start investing. By the time you'll be retiring at 65, you would have made and saved for your retirement. So consider things like stocks. Stocks are like pieces of ownership in a company where you can like buy some or a tiny part of their business and you get like dividends at the end of the month or the bending. Now, we also have like dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are like shares of companies that pay you portion of their profits regularly. Sometimes it is usually every 3 months or 6 months, depending on the agreement you have with the company. So if you're considering to start investing, first, set your goal. Define what you're going to be investing. Is it for a long term? Maybe you're saving for wealth, or is it for a major purchase, or you're creating passive income? Your goal is very important because it's going to shape your financial strategy and habits. Next, choose an investment platform. Apps like Trading 212. Choose your trading platforms, and this would help you to choose your trading platform. But before you invest into this trading platform, ensure that you have done your research, like check out their educational platform, learn about the basics of saving, of trading, so that you do not make mistake, and try to see if you can consult a stockbroker that can be of help to you. Try to reach out to a stockbroker that can be of significant help to you so that you do not make mistake. Remember that the beauty of investing lies in its flexibility, and you can start with a modest amount and grow your portfolio over time. Every little effort would always count. So start investing. Hustle number 3, online coaching. This is you literally turning your skill into something that makes you money on a daily basis. In today's digital age, online coaching has become one of the most lucrative and accessible side hustle that anybody can start. Whether it is through content creation, imagine you're doing content creation, you can teach people how to do that. It could be language learning, it could be music, it could be other skills that you can teach people online. Online coaching offers you the flexibility to work from anywhere at any time and create a sustainable income stream for you. Take, for instance, Jack Jefferson, who turns his financial fitness side hustle into a full-time business, making over $7,000 per month. This is why online coaching works. Online coaching is a broad industry that spans multiple niches. This concept is simple. You leverage your existing knowledge, offer it to people who want to improve their own skills. By doing this, you are also helping them. And you tailor your coaching to meet individual needs. For instance, I teach virtual assistants, I teach digital marketing, and there are so many fields that you can find your feet in. Currently, I've made over 7 million, which is approximately $4,000 from my coaching class, and it keeps getting better. Here are some key reasons why online coaching has become a successful source of making money. Low barrier to entry. You don't need a physical location or expensive equipment to start. All you need is an internet connection, your laptop, or even your phone. Every other thing is totally fine. So what area do you have strength in? Another thing is global reach. Unlike traditional coaching or tutoring, where you're limited by location, online coaching gives you access to a global market. No matter where you're located, you can work with clients from different parts of the world. My students cut across over 15 countries, and this is increasing your potential and giving you global clientele. Another thing is it provides personalized experience. One of the strongest appeal of online coaching is the ability to provide tailored services with personalized coaching, whether it is fitness training you're doing, whether it is language tutoring, whether it's career advice, whether you're teaching virtual assistants or digital marketing or even affiliate marketing like me. It makes clients feel valued and understand, which leads to better retention rate and higher income. Another reason is sustainability. Leveraging your existing skill to start online coaching business. With this, you don't need to be an expert in everything. Use the area where you have a strong point in. You simply need to be good at something and you know how to teach it effectively. I know that some persons might not be able to teach, so you can actually partner with those who are better in teaching. So whether you're an expert in fitness, in language, in digital marketing, in virtual assistants, your current skills can be turned into a profitable business. If you're considering starting, this is how you can leverage your existing skill to start. Identify your expertise. When I talk about expertise, I'm asking, what are you naturally good at? What do people often ask you with help with? It could be fitness, it could be playing an instrument, it could be graphic design, it could even be personal development. It doesn't have to be hard. I tell people, as simple as how to boil water is, there are people who are looking for courses on that. Learn how to package it. Once you've identified your niche, the key to success is learning how to package your knowledge into a service that people are going to be willing to pay for. This involves creating a structured lesson, developing effective method, communicating your expertise and your offering in a personalized way that your target audience or your clients can understand. Why building your business might be a bit difficult if you're starting all alone. You want to consider joining my digital marketing and affiliate marketing training. The link will be on the comment section where I teach all of this. You can also consider taking online courses, reading industrial relevant books, or getting certificates if it's applicable to you. However, most successful online coaches start with their existing knowledge, so don't overthink it. Share what you know. Your community, which is your tribe, would naturally identify with you. Our fourth side hustle is AI animation. And you can all see the beauty of AI right now. With digital content evolution, AI animation has become a game changer. With the advent of things like ChatGPT, Media Journey, content creators can now leverage this AI-driven platform to create content and make content creation quite easy for them. So for example, as a content creator, I've been able to leverage making $2,000 monthly from content creation. And this could be you. This was just simply turning my passion into a profitable side hustle. Now, what is AI animation? In case you're just hearing this for the first time, at its core, AI animation is simply using artificial intelligence to assist in your content creation enhancement. AI is supposed to support you to enhance what you're doing, not totally take over what you're doing. Traditional animation always require like a lot of hours for you to like do. Painstaking on you working on animation. But with AI too right now, you can literally generate content for free. You can turn characters, automate scene, allowing you to focus on high creative decision that you can make in your business. Media Journey, for instance, is an AI tool primarily used for generating image based on text prompt, while ChatGPT can be used for your scripting and your dialogue generation. These AI tools are now being integrated into animation processes, giving animators the ability to quickly generate high polished visuals that can like keep their audience engaged, and they are making a shit ton of money from this. So you can literally become an animator and make money using AI. This shift towards AI is a part of a larger trend of where artificial intelligence is taking us to currently. So this field is opening up entire new opportunities for professionals. Animators no longer need expensive softwares or years of training to create impressive animated video. Just with little effort, you can literally create animations that can make you money. Understanding animation basics and AI too is very important for you to actually make money out of this. So you want to like take out time to study different animation tools that you can use. This include understanding motion, things like timing, storyboarding, character design are all integral aspects of using this field to make money. A solid grasp of traditional animation principle can also help you. Doing it like manually would waste a lot of time, but doing it with AI, but you still need to know those traditional ways of doing animation. AI animation tools currently are user friendly, and anybody can literally start this and use it to make substantial amount of money. You don't have to be a pro. You can start where you are and gradually become a professional. Also, if this is an area you want to use to make money, you can outsource it to people who have capacity in this field while you at the back end think about like the idea generation and all of that, and other persons can help you make sense out of all of this. If you're someone starting from the scratch, trust me, it might take time to understand the basics of animation. But with tools like Blender and Runway, you can easily learn this essential skill without investing years of study. There are also online courses you can take. You can check out places like Udemy, YouTube tutorials that are available for you to learn how to create animated video. And our fifth side also is online writing. The first and the easiest way to dive into online writing is through freelancing. We have platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com. Freelancing platform tends to connect you with clients who are looking for a writer. And this is how to start. Create a compiling profile that highlights your writing skill. Showcase sample of works that you've done. If you have not, consider using platforms like Medium, platforms like LinkedIn to create writing samples you can put in your portfolio. Apply for jobs that match your interests and your area of capacity when it comes to writing. Whether it is blogging, whether it is copywriting or technical writing, apply for those jobs. Other popular writing niches are technical writing, we have ghostwriting, and you can literally start all of this with minimal cost. All you have to do is to build your portfolio. For example, a beginner freelance writer may charge between $15 to $30 per hour. Imagine if you're able to work with 3 or 4 companies that need your writing skill. Another thing is blogging. Blogging allows you to build a platform around a topic that you're passionate about, whether it is traveling, whether it is fashion, whether it is tech or fitness. And just before you begin to overthink it, blogging, you can make money through ad revenues like Google AdSense. When visitors come to your blog, interact with your ads, you earn money from it. You can also do affiliate marketing on your blogs. You partner with brands to promote their products. And for every sale that is made through your referral link, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is a very good way for you to make money. And if you're interested in learning how to make money from affiliate marketing, you want to join my digital marketing class where I teach you all of this and how to start. If you're still listening to me and you want to learn how to make money, check out my previous video on how I made $2,000 weekly. If you have not hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, like, comment and share this video. Apparently, YouTube needs it for this channel to grow and for the right people to be able to see the content. Let me know in the comment section which of these side hustle you're planning to start or you have started. Let's go on this journey of making money together.